Since the advent of blockchain technology, the industry has rapidly grown as different projects and protocols are constantly developed. In the industry, there are different solution layer networks used to scale their operations, which are Layer 1 and Layer 2. In this video, we will look at what a Layer 1 blockchain solution is, how it works, and its examples. According to blockchain experts, blockchain has three core properties: security, decentralization, and scalability. Together, they are referred to as the blockchain trilemma. Furthermore, the rule governing the blockchain trilemma states that any blockchain protocol can only possess two of these properties. Hence, many blockchain networks had to compromise one of the trilemmas in their buildup. By default, popular blockchain networks like Bitcoin and Ethereum exhibit security and decentralization properties over scalability, which makes them experience slow transaction processing and higher transaction fees. How did this happen? Blockchain protocols are decentralized and comprise computer nodes that perform some computing, storage, and bandwidth functions that help to maintain access to the network's ledger. They require a large number of nodes to validate transactions, which makes them secure and decentralized. However, they have poor scalability and throughput process. For instance, Bitcoin has about 15,733 nodes and a speed of 4 to 7 transactions per second, or TPS. In other words, the more centralized a network is, the more scalable and less secure it is, because the fewer nodes present make transactions faster, as fewer nodes are needed to validate each transaction. However, the fewer node count makes a network susceptible to hackers, as it takes just 51% of compromised nodes to take over a network and render its tokens valueless. However, their deep decentralization and secure environment transcend to slow throughput and heavy transaction charges, which make them less desirable for large-scale transactions, as they easily get congested. To solve this problem, blockchain developers introduced the use of Layer 1 blockchain solutions. Layer 1 solutions are different strategies that a blockchain network uses to improve its scalability prowess while maintaining its decentralized and secure nature. These solutions help networks to manage their on-chain transactions, and the two prominent Layer 1 solutions include sharding and consensus protocols. Sharding involves the splitting up of a blockchain network into smaller chunks of database blocks called shards to make it more manageable and easier to control. Ultimately, sharding helps networks to free up more processing capacities to further process more transactions. For instance, Ethereum processes 7 to 14 TPS, despite the heavy loads of dApps and smart contracts it operates. Another example is Elrond, which processes about 100,000 TPS via sharding. On the other hand, some networks use consensus protocols to scale their transactions. Proof of work, or POW, is the primary consensus model of Bitcoin and was for Ethereum prior to the merge. POW is secured and decentralized. However, the model is energy intensive, as it requires thousands of nodes called miners to verify a transaction. This makes it slow and expensive to manage. Hence, to scale its network, Ethereum migrated to the proof-of-stake consensus model, which allows users to stake their asset, entry fee of 32 ETH, to validate transactions and access governance of the network. This makes the platform more scalable. However, it became more vulnerable to attacks. On the other hand, Bitcoin uses a Layer 2 solution called Bitcoin Lightning. So, will we see more Layer 1 or Layer 2 protocols emerge as the blockchain industry continues to grow? Stay tuned. Cheers.